Sup Skibbity Sigmas, today we're going to be doing how to go to the gas station. So, Mr. Average said,
Yeah, bro. Better not go up to that gas station and take my cookies, or I will get Shrek to tickle you. But I do recommend going to.
But still, I want to go to the gas station. We need to accomplish. Basically, go on the edge of your boundary, like the right side, and then go into level 2. Revamped. Now go about like 12 steps. And then just go like this. Well, if you fall, it's fine. I don't really expect you to master that. It is a skill after all. Just go level 2. And this is the best. Okay, for some reason, when you check how close do I have to get. So, let's go here. Okay,
big scary skeletons. Big scary skeletons. Big scary skeletons. Big scary.
Okay, I'm literally on the edge of the boundary. So move a little, and then move yourself up to right here. Go back to level 2. Get a little closer. This should be perfect. Now go back. Now go here. And oh, perfect. And this may take a couple tries, but it's fine. And if you're new, that's also fine because I don't really expect you to master this. So we're just gonna go here. Make sure not to screw this part up. If you want to feel comfortable, just click the Oculus button. Take your armor rest, put it back in position, and you should be fine. So this one is risky if you don't really know how to do it. You gotta be careful when you do this one. Or, because you gotta get your hand out. That's hard, trust me. So then put your hand here, yank that arm out. If you're here, perfect. Make sure not. Okay, so I'm back here, and I just freaking realized, whenever you try to go back to the thing, you lose your light, but I was actually doing the right steps, and I effed up. I'm sorry if I wasted your time. So just keep walking, apparently. You just keep walking forward. Apparently. That's what they said. Just keep walking forward. Oh, there we go. So just run. Just keep running. Or if you have controller, if you have long controller. So we're there almost. Finally, bruh. I've been trying this to go to the gas station for like the past 2 months. I never knew how to glitch, but now I'm like Good. So basically, now you're Sigma. I'm good. Okay. So here's his cookies. Guys, like and subscribe before I get banned by Average Monkey. Please do it. I don't want to get banned.